You write a template, specify a DOM element, and Vue will do the render for you. You can put templates inside components, and then use the component name in other templates. Templates can render dynamic data using this curly braces syntax. You can also declare input data and let the component's parent define it with attributes. Inside the curly braces, you can put any JavaScript expression. There's also special syntax for handling events and a place to define components methods. This method changes the component's data, so Vue will re-render this component on every click. It's also possible to trigger custom events, which is useful to pass data up to the component's parent. You can use this load element to compose components, and you can use the before directive to render a list of elements.